to the standards of IITH, make IITH a good one. So I want to be one of the part of the Gymkhana and support it.
Same question. Motivation to join Gymkhana and what made you stand for it?
Mostly I can choose
Gymkhana in general, general secretary in particular.
Mostly I can choose president and the other post also. But I preferably choose GenSec because I want to connect the student body so I can resolve their issue as much as close to them. And because of my past experience as an ESL manager, I have done mostly the management skills. The skills that GenSec should have to manage the things. That's the reason behind that.
Okay, so now
Question for Abhishek.
Abhishek first. What were the mistakes done by your predecessors and how will you try to improve it or make it right?
Yeah, mostly there is a big problem of transparency between students and the Gymkhana body. Means the things that can be resolved are taking too much time, like a penalty system in math. It's already been there for 2 or 3 years and nothing is done in that regard. So I will try to do my best to have that system to be implemented and with a full thing to get done. So I will. Even there is a big issue like postal issues. Mostly over there is no facility of the things that can be easily be done by the previous Gymkhana. So I will try to do that.
Examples for such kind of easy.
Mostly a penalty system. I have already discussed about that, and I will try to have a more transparency between the complaint issues. There is a big problem. Like according to me, there are regularly complaints like 20 or 30 came to the Gymkhana. Okay, so but the time they took to give a prompt response to that, it will be hard. Like if a one complaint, if there is a one complaint, they will not reply to that. After that complaint repeated again and again, then they will do that prompt response. So I will try to resolve that issue as early as possible.
Okay. Same question for Rohit. According to you, what were the mistakes done by your predecessors and how will you try to make it right or improve?
I can't say that there are mistakes, but I will say that there was a, like when I went to a few seniors and asked them what did you feel about previous Gymkhana, they were like the communication gap between students and Gymkhana was lagging. The thing is in the transport, like there was a sudden change in bus schedules, but they were not intimating the students. Like see, if the bus schedule is suddenly changed from 12 to 1, if you don't send the mail from Kandi, students will be coming here. But they have to stay 1.5 or 2 hours more because there is no bus. You didn't implement that. That was the main problem. So I think connection between students and Gymkhana was lagging. If that is solved, Gymkhana.
How will you decrease that gap between students and Gymkhana?
Battery బ్యాటరీ లేదా అందుకనే రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది.
Basically, there are only 2 types of people in NSO people and NSO people. So, you should try reaching them in that way. I think you can reach everyone. And
A way to reduce the gap. You are telling me there are 2 types of people. What is the way?
if you call all, if you NSO, if you take NSO, there are general secretaries for each and every game. So, if you speak to them, try to explain. Every general secretary is able to convey the message to their team, or they can easily convey it because there are a team. See, if you take, I am a hockey player. If you take hockey, if my general secretary explains to me, I can easily convey and easily understand what the meaning actually is. So only my general secretary job will be to just convey the message to main people, like general secretaries and NSS coordinators.
So you think only BTs come under Gen Z? So NSO and NSS are only for BTs now.
Even others participate, right? Even PG people come to play.
So what do you think is the percentage or the number of people in NSO? I don't find people in
There's a
NSS.
man.
There is.
So the people is less. There's the only option like we have. It's an easy way to go. It doesn't take anything more.
Easy way for only I think 600 people. What happens for the remaining 1200?
Okay, we are moving away from the topic. The discussion was how would you reduce the gap? You are telling me I will convey the message to the respective coordinators or secretaries. But what message?
If there is something going wrong, I will say that this is going on.
Okay, the sports secretary is going and telling them there is a DJ night tonight. Is it?
Not that. See, I said transport was problem, right?
Okay.
So if there is many are sending back, it's like if there was a change in bus schedules, there will be many that there was a change in bus schedule, we didn't inform you. So that was a problem. Like I will try to replace them immediately. I'll say this was a problem. The main thing is if you solve the problem there itself, that won't go back, right?
Okay. First question is for you also. You said best penalty. That was mistake done by your predecessors. But you did not tell how will you solve it.
Mainly the problem is regarding to the hostel wardens. Means the Gymkhana try to raise this question again and again to the hostel wardens, but they will afraid to take an action against them. So
Afraid.
means
What is afraid?
in some sort of way, because if they take an action against mess, they will need a new tender for that. If a action is implemented against them, like fine system, okay, 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees against mess, it won't affect. But if the fine is much more than higher, the mess question will be.
Go on.
Okay, so I was telling that if a fine was 1,000 or 2,000, the mass people will not get affected by that. But if I increase that fine up to the mostly the appropriate price, that mass will be afraid to do that. Means like 10,000.
See, first you said wardens are afraid, now you are saying mess is afraid.
I am not saying to that. As of now, wardens are afraid to take an action against mass. Mostly what they are doing is try. Let's say one day the mass food is bad. Okay, so they will try to compensate that by compensate to the another day by providing a special food over there. So mass people are doing the same thing again and again, making the bad food. If the penalty system will be implemented, they will afraid to do that thing.
The point you said was penalty was not implemented. That was a mistake. And you will correct it by imposing the penalty.
Yeah.
The question is how.
So I will try to raise the question against hostel wardens again and again, and try to have them try my best to implement that issue, rather than doing a compensation issue.
Okay, you said the mess wardens are afraid. What are they afraid of?
To have a new tender.
Do you know what a tender is?
Yeah, I already know.
What is that? If a tender, if a guy has
Our
bought
has include around 100 rupees to find a new tender.
okay, let me speak first. If a guy has bought a tender, he is bound to work for a given period of time. He
Yeah.
can't just go if you are imposing a penalty. Then why are the wardens afraid of? What are the wardens afraid of?
They are, let's say, there is a big issue like it's already been there, a blade issue. Okay, there is a guy. There was a time when a blade is found in the mess. Okay, so this question is raised up to the hostel warden, and what the thing is being done towards that? Nothing. Even a blade is found in a mess, there is no one to take an action against that. For that, that's why I am saying this is a big issue. For that, I will try to implement a penalty over there.
You are not getting the question I'm asking. You said mess wardens are afraid of. What are they afraid of? I didn't get this.
They are afraid to take an action against mess.
Why?
Because if the issue is much bigger than that, they have to change the tender and
Okay, It is not. Cargo for tissue is much bigger than that. Why during the waters take an action here? The said blade. No, you told the waters are afraid to take action for a bigger issue. What do you think? Is this blade issue bigger or not?
Is much bigger than any other issue.
So
and
why are
even,
afraid?
and they don't even take an action. So you can already know
Why
that
didn't they take? Why didn't they take the action?
because they were trying to they were trying to remain that tender to be available. They are not willing to change the tender.
Why?
Because the problem is basically like we have two tenders, Shakti and SDR, okay? So they have a good coordination in between them. So if people are staying over here or over there, okay, so they don't cause any problem. That's why they are not trying to make a tender.
Okay, we're done for the general questions. Both of your agendas were very ambitious. I had to read them twice, and what I read is correct. So, okay, so Atul will help me to ask you agenda-related questions. So first for Abhishek. There are points in your agenda like bus stop, street lights, which are already in process. So what would be your role in this, and why did you mention it that we will propose it?
It's already been proposed, but the thing is, it has been already been for 2 or 3 years. Okay, it's already been proposed for 2 or 3 years, and nothing has been done up till now. So I will try to fast track that service.
Fast track. You think you can fast track government thing, state government thing?
It's not a big. I think it's not that big a issue. If a near college, if a college near to the IIT have a own bus stop, so why not ask? Why not we have a bus stop?
How will you fast track? What will be your role?
I will try to raise this question again and again to the Senate meeting, and
Senate has nothing to do with state government.
it's nothing to do. But I want the approval from them. Then only I can get approval from the government.
Okay. Second question, agenda based, Abhishek. You said you will increase night canteen timing in country. There is no night canteen at all. When will you eat? So, first of all, for your information, there is no night canteen. Whose timing you are going to increase, and what went wrong?
Mostly I was trying to say that I will try to extend the timing of the ODF Sandeep canteen. It's already been closed. When it started night canteen, it been closed around 2 o'clock. Okay, but now
Which night canteen?
night canteen ODF because no night canteen in Kandy.
Right.
Not possible.
Now, yeah.
So I am just saying that I will try to increase the timing of ODF night canteen over here, not there. Mostly it's not a bigger issue.
We know the timing of night canteen. What is
Yeah, it's around. It started from 7 to 12 o'clock.
the time we can mention?
Yeah, but 7
What
to 2.
What is it?
But the problem is that the food is get finished earlier than that.
So you should have mentioned if you make that regular, right? You have mentioned that it will increase the timing, right? Increase timing. Guys, silence please. Yeah.
In other words, I want to say that I will try to force the night canteen to have a more food available over there, so it won't be finished by 12 o'clock.
Do you even know what is an agenda?
Yeah,
You know what is an agenda, right?
Yeah.
You're going to put in points over there which you're going to try and do.
yeah.
So you have mentioned that you're going to increase time for the night canteen. You didn't mention that you're going to make food be available till the last minute, right? You didn't mention that. What you mentioned is you'll increase the timing for the night canteen. And if that's not a bigger issue according to you, please tell me, explain me, detail me how are you going to increase the timing of the night canteen?
Okay, mainly this is all about the word game. I accept that mistake.
It's a word game. You have put it in your agenda
Yeah,
and you
that's why I'm
presented it.
accepting that mistake. I'm just saying to you.
So you mentioned, Abhishek, you mentioned in your agenda that you start up an environment-friendly and clean culture in the new hospital. How do you plan to do it? Because it's around a desertified area where you don't find any shrubs, plants.
Mostly, I just put a word of coastal clean culture in hostel premises in between of the restroom over there, not in the whole institute. Like it's already been, sir, there are already been green plantation over there at the ground floor of the hostel room, so I will try to increase that.
And you also mentioned that temporary road will be laid in Kanti Gate.
No, I didn't say that.
Sorry. So, how do you think your previous experience would make you capable for this post?
Yeah, mostly for the Gen should know how to manage the things. Okay, this is the major point of for Gen Z. So from my past experience as an ESL manager, I have learned the skills of management skills and communication skills, and also I was a part of a winning team manager, so I know how to do the work and how to manage the things.
Okay, either as you mentioned, ensure regular cleaning of mess even during the seating time to ensure tables and stools are always clean when next student arrives to eat. You know about the Zanzibar, it is always crowded. I mean, you know that, right?
Yeah, I know.
And how is cleaner will clean the mess when it is already crowded?
Mean after the match will be closed, I will do the
You mentioned that even during the eating time, you mentioned that, right? How helps this?
It depends on the how much wastage are over the table. It depends on that. If it's too much, then everyone have to clean that. Even a people will do that.
See, we all are educated people, we don't do that.
We can't do it.
Little amount of litter.
We won't do that. The mass people will do that.
You were saying that regular cleaning of mess even during the eating time. If the mess is already crowded, how will you ask them to clean the mess?
It's not about cleaning the whole mass. It's about cleaning the tables over there.
The people are already sitting in a crowded mess. What happens?
Yeah, people sitting over everywhere. Okay. So I was just saying, but people can't eat in a disgusting area. Okay, everyone knows that. We are IIT people, so we should have a decency to sit in a clean environment.
You mentioned delivery of mess food to Sunday Ham in your agenda. How will you do that?
I already talked to the mass manager, and they will say if you got an approval of that, we can provide that service. I just need a cab over there. Mass people will put their food there, and it will get delivered to the
Vatkunda
resident.
also, sir.
It will be better for the PhD people.
Vatkunda 1 minute.
I know it better. How will you manage?
Yeah, I already
Camera
talked to the
goes
mass
on.
manager, and he is saying that if you get approval of this
1 minute
thing,
बाद वो कैमरा
we will
वैसा
do
लाग
it.
रही है.
Guys, please.
Okay, thank you, Abhishek. Rohit. In your agenda, so Rohit was more ambitious than Abhishek in writing the agenda. So, which is not a good thing. Okay, so you will try to decrease the mess fee once you shift to Kandi, taking into account that there is no significant increase in the stress and inflation rate of about 6%, how are you planning to lower the mess rate?
Before I write this point, my main motto was that when IIT Bombay people are paying 60 rupees per meal and IIT Chennai people are paying 80 rupees per meal.
Do you know the reason why they are paying 60 and why Chennai are paying 80? Do you know the reason?
They are getting subsidy from
No, that's not the answer. State taxes are different. You can compare NIT Warangal, BITS Hyderabad and IIT Hyderabad. You cannot compare IIT Hyderabad, IIT Madras,
they are paying less than us.
So you can bring those mess, you can change the mess, but you are saying you lower the fees.
Look, see, my thinking was in this way. When I asked the best person, he says that we are paying the transport charges
What?
to bring vegetables and fruits.
from where? From Sangareddy.
They are thinking, he said that Sangareddy guy will get to Shankarpalli they will get there. He said that.
That guy is bullying me.
That's not, see, if I ask him, he's only what can I do? It's like, that's the truth he said.